Jawaban bahasa Inggris, kelas 10, chapter 4, Nutritious Food and Beverages. Soal nomor 1, Diagnostic Assessment. Soal nomor 1, why don't you find the package of a food product? Jawabannya C, manual guidance. Soal nomor 2, jawabannya D, you'd better consult a doctor about your diet plan. Soal nomor 3, jawabannya C, how a cat express its feeling. Soal nomor 4, what habits should you avoid to stay healthy? Jawabannya A, skip breakfast. Soal nomor 5, what should people do to stay healthy? Jawabannya B, eat a variety of nutritious food. Soal tak 1, aktivitas 1, pada aktivitas 1 ya, question what is the text about? Jawabannya the text is about 5 steps to healthy eating for children and adolescents. Soal nomor 2, what kinds of food should we eat? Jawabannya nomor 2, vegetable food, low fat milk and dairy products and low sugar food. Soal nomor 3, what food and drinks should we consume less? Jawaban nomor 3 adalah foods derived from animal refined sugar, sugary drinks and sweets. Soal nomor 4, have you done what are written in the text? What are they? Jawaban nomor 4. Contoh jawabannya, I do. I often eat fruits and vegetables and avoid having sugary drinks and sweets. Soal nomor 5, what should you do to keep healthy after reading the text? Contoh jawabannya, I should prepare my meals in a safe and sanitary manner so I can eat healthily. Pada task 2, aktivitas 2, ada soal what will happen if we often have fruits and vegetables in our meals? Jawabannya, we will be healthy and fit so that we won't catch a cold or have a fever easily. Soal nomor 2, what do fruits and vegetables contain? Jawabannya, they contain vitamins, minerals, and other substances that our body need. Soal nomor 3, how do we know that different fruits and vegetables contain different nutrients? Jawaban nomor 3, we can see the colors as the indicators because different colors represent a good variety of vitamins and minerals. Soal nomor 4, what should we do to ensure that we get different nutrition from our meals? Jawaban nomor 4, we should eat at least 5 different colors of food every day. Soal nomor 5, what should we avoid when having dinner? Jawaban nomor 5, we should avoid having a dinner that is all one color, especially a beige color from processed food. Pada taks 3, aktivitas 1, kalian disuruh mengisi titik-titik. Jawaban nomor 1, milk or juice. Jawaban nomor 2, difficult. Jawaban nomor 3, powerful blender. Jawaban nomor 4, memory booster. Jawaban nomor 5, frozen blueberries. Jawaban nomor 6, chop broccoli steam. Jawaban nomor 7, raw honey. Jawaban nomor 8, mood enhancer. Jawaban nomor 9, almond butter. Jawaban nomor 10, energy improver. Aktivitas 2 pada taks 3 yaitu complete the following statement based on the dialogue in aktivitas 1. Soal nomor 1, the speakers are talking about jawabannya Norman's menu from his breakfast. Soal nomor 2, there are the 3 recipes of smoothies given by Norman. Jawabannya memory booster smoothie, mood enhancer smoothie, and energy improver smoothie. Soal nomor 3, we can add jawabannya natural sweeteners such as raw honey to make our smoothie sweet. Soal nomor 4, the tool used for making smoothies is jawabannya a powerful blender. Soal nomor 5, to make smoothies we can combine different kinds of jawabannya vegetable, fruit, and herbs. Oke, untuk aktivitas 2 pada taks 4 aktivitas 2 ada soalnya yaitu What is the topic of the dialogue? Jawabannya kinds of healthy and less healthy beverage consumed by people. Soal nomor 2, how much should we drink to stay hydrated? Jawaban nomor 2, it is about 8 ounces of water a day. Nah, soal nomor 3, are soda and less sugar soda drinks healthy for us? Why is that so? Contoh jawabannya, no, they are less healthy because soda drinks contain much sugar and the less sugar ones may contain artificial sweetener. Soal nomor 4, what ingredients make our juice less healthy? Jawabannya, nomor 4, the calories from sugar or milk added to the juice. Soal nomor 5, what ingredients do we need to make healthy juice? Jawaban nomor 5, we can use and combine different kinds of fresh fruit, vegetable, and herbs. Soal nomor 6, what benefits can we get from tea? Jawabannya, it gives us a gentle mental and physical pick-me-up and lower risk of kidney stones and gallstone. Drinking green tea may also protect us from heart disease and some cancer, particularly stomach cancer. Soal nomor 7, how can we have healthy coffee? Jawaban nomor 7, by adding a bit sugar and have a moderate portion. Pada taks 4 aktivitas 3, jawabannya ya, langsung dijawab. We should follow the suggestion number 1, 3, and 4. We'd better not follow the suggestion number 2 because consuming sweet beverages every day can increase our sugar blood level that leads us to serious disease. We'd better not follow the suggestion number 5 because we should be selective for what we consume. Therefore, we should pay attention to the ingredients of food and beverage we buy. Pada taks 5 aktivitas 1, kalian disuruh untuk membuat dialog secara benar ya. Jawabannya sudah ada di teks, ada di layar, silakan dipahami, dicatat. Lanjut ke taks 6 aktivitas 1, itu ada 10 soal. Jawaban nomor 1 adalah pasta, jawaban nomor 2 fiber, jawaban nomor 3 sugary, jawaban nomor 4 moderation, jawaban nomor 5 vegetable, jawaban nomor 6 serving, jawaban nomor 7 meat, jawaban nomor 8 variance, jawaban nomor 9 dairy, jawaban nomor 10 equivalence. Untuk task 7 aktivitas 1, kalian disuruh untuk melengkapi tabel berdasarkan pada label caramel apple. Silakan dilihat di layar jawabannya. Pada task 7 aktivitas 2, soalnya nomor 1, what is the label about? Jawabannya, it is about a food product called caramel apple. Soal nomor 2, who aren't permitted to consume the food? Jawaban nomor 2, people with an allergic to milk, peanuts, and shellfish must not consume the food. Soal nomor 3, what vitamin does it contain? How much is it? Jawaban nomor 3, it contains 8% of vitamin C. Soal nomor 4, does the food contain enough fiber to keep our digestive system well? Explain. Jawabannya, probably we need at least 25 grams of fiber a day to keep our digestive system well. The food contains 3 grams fiber with the help of other food that we consume for a day. We may get at least 25 grams total of fiber a day. Soal nomor 5, is the food a vitamin or mineral source? Why is that? Jawaban nomor 5, none of them, because the vitamin and mineral contents are less than 10%. Pada task 8 activity 1, ada soal ya, kalian disuruh menulis ulang kan. Nah, jawabannya silakan lihat di layar ya. Pada task 8 activity 2, complete the following statement based on the text in activity 1. Soal nomor 1, we have to ensure the broccoli is well cooked before. Jawabannya mixing it with other ingredients. Soal nomor 2, we use several kinds of cheese. They are cheddar and parmesan. For the pasta and titik jawabannya mozzarella for the pizza topping. Soal nomor 3, the texture of the broccoli in the pizza is jawabannya tender. Soal nomor 4, after the pizza is ready, we can jawabannya slice it into 4 before serving it. Soal nomor 5, the pizza need to be baked for 25 minutes and another 10 minutes after. Jawabannya spreading the topping. Oke, assessment ya. Assessment soal nomor 1. What seeds do we have to process before eating? Jawabannya A. Sunflower seeds. Soal nomor 2. What food can we use unprocessed seeds as the ingredients? Jawabannya A. Baked food. Soal nomor 3. How is the texture of roasted pumpkin seeds? Jawabannya adalah D. Crunchy. Soal nomor 4. What should we add powdered chia seed into corn soup? Jawabannya adalah C. To make it thick. Soal nomor 5, what is the purpose of the text? Jawabannya A. To tell us how to make something through steps. Soal nomor 6, how do you blend the boiling water with tea bag and cinnamon sticks? Jawabannya ada A. By stirring briefly. Soal nomor 7, what is the best time to enjoy the drink? Jawabannya adalah C. On the hot afternoon. Jawaban nomor 8, the word it refers to. Jawabannya adalah D. Tea. Soal nomor 9, where should we store the product? Jawabannya adalah B. In a cold container. Soal nomor 10, which is the following has the highest amount contained in the product? Jawabannya adalah A. Calcium. Soal nomor 11, the product is considered less healthy because jawabannya B. The vitamins are less than 10% per serving. Soal nomor 12, what does the word organically means? Jawabannya B, without artificial chemical. Soal nomor 13, when will the dish probably be served? Jawabannya adalah C, in the beginning of a banquet. Soal nomor 14, how to eat the dish? Jawabannya adalah A, dip the tip into soy sauce. Soal nomor 15, what should we do with the carrots before wrapping them in the cabbage? Jawabannya adalah C, cut them into small pieces. Soal nomor 16, the underlined word is closer is in meaning to. Titik adalah jawabannya adalah A. Tender. Soal nomor 17, what should we do according to the text? Jawabannya adalah B. Keep fruits and vegetables in a fridge. Soal nomor 18, Nintan is shopping fruit and vegetables. According to the text, what should she do after arriving home from shopping? Jawabannya adalah D. Wash the fruit and vegetable with clean water. Soal nomor 19, why should you buy fruits and vegetable from farmers market? Because jawabannya C, we will get fresh fruits and vegetable. Soal nomor 20, the fruits and vegetable we keep will jawabannya rot. Rot if we let them in an open space for a long time. Untuk yang jawaban yang B, write an instructional text about healthy eating. Use modal in your writing. Itu nggak ada jawabannya ya. Silakan kalian pikir sendiri. Kalian kerjakan sendiri.